Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you had a lovely day. Thank you much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to stop chasing your specific person and do the secret technique instead that will allow them to be effortlessly drawn into your life. Because I've been in your shoes before where I loved some guys, I was really liking the guys, I was crushing really hard on them, and I did all this extra effort to show them how much I really liked them, and I wanted to be in a relationship with them. I would social media stalk them. I would like their pictures, comment on their pictures. I would send them a gazillion text messages just to get their attention, and because they weren't responding to me at the time, and I did all these things, and I actually repelled them away. They were like, "I'm gonna get far away from you as possible," and so I learned the hard way. And it's just like a little frustrating when you put a lot of extra effort to just show people or show your civic person how much you like them, especially since with the online world it can be, although there's an abundance of people available to talk to, it actually makes things 10 times harder. So sometimes at the time, I felt like I had to exert 10 times more effort to show the person that I was really interested in them. And it just, didn't work out in my favor. So I know that you may have been talking to your SP right now, and you might be exerting too much effort there. So we have to kind of pump the brakes a bit, reverse a little bit, and pull back a little bit, and actually get them to start chasing you instead. And how this is going to be really working in your favor is by doing this secret technique and implementing this affirmation alongside this technique. And once you match them two together, things are going to work out for you, and they're going to be effortlessly drawn into your life. And it's actually going to be a lot easier than what you've been doing right now, because everything is like an inside game. You have to really work on your own energy yourself, and when you work on your own energy on the inside, everything will be reflected on the outside, because the universe is a mirror. So how you feel on the inside will be reflected on the outside. So this is going to be working in your favor. I'm really excited to talk about this secret technique. Before we jump right into this video though, I do have two free gifts for y'all. So I have a free manifestation cheat sheet guide that'll be highlighting 34 of my favorite tips and tricks about manifestation, as well as I have an exclusive meditation audio on Manifest Your SP that you won't find on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in any of those free gifts, click the link down below. Also, follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my TikTok, and subscribe to this channel. I sincerely appreciate that. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So this secret technique is all about tapping into superstar energy. When you tap into superstar energy, you're basically living your authentic self. You have strong convictions for yourself. You have a strong belief system. You're like loving all the wonderful qualities about you that make you so damn special. You're no longer diluting all the wonderful qualities about you. You're no longer compromising what you like about yourself. And you're not really caring whether people like you or not, because you know that people are going to like you for being you. You're not going to be like, oh, I should do this, do that because I want to please other people. No, this comes to an end. Because trust me, I'd always dilute all my wonderful qualities about myself, and I wouldn't really get the things I want in my life, or I wouldn't get my civic person I wanted, or the boyfriend I wanted, because my energy wasn't aligning. I felt like something inside of me was like, something's off here, like I'm just like not happy all the time, But when I was able to tap into superstar energy, I just felt so great about myself. I didn't care what anyone thought about me. I just loved everything about myself, and I lived my life authentically. So when we do that, we are now have this magnetic charm about ourselves. We have this magnetic aura about ourselves that just draws opportunities, people, and experiences into our life, and things just happen for us. And so how this can be pertained to your SP is that you're no longer diluting all the wonderful qualities about you, and you're just so special and you're just like this star that they're like, you're just so unique that they just can't take their eyes off you, and they just want to know more about you, and they'll actually start to be chasing you because you're just so interesting to talk to. There's just something unique about you that is just so special that they haven't seen a lot of people, and so you actually become very attractive to your SP, and you're just living your authentic self, and you're just like, this is me. I'm going to just do myself and people will like it or not. And so when you are no longer diluting all those qualities, you're basically having this, you're living a very happy life because you're no longer, having this this mental pull and push kind of mindset in your mind, and this compromising, all this indecisiveness, and this all these like mental battles in your mind. You're just like, this is what I want, this is what I get, people will deal with it, blah blah blah. You're just very confident in you, and it's just so great to tap into this wonderful energy. And you notice that when you don't tap into it, you have a lack of energy and a lack of confidence. But when you tap into this superstar energy, things just happen for you. You're like, where did this come from? I have no idea. But you're just so aligned with all your manifestations because your vibration's very high. And when your vibration's really high, you're already an energetic match with all your manifestations. So once we've tapped into superstar energy, we have to also implement this one really super easy affirmations. And I love affirmations a lot because affirmations are just a fancy term for just your inner chat, your inner dialogue with yourself, and what you really say to yourself. And so the things that you say to yourself can actually create limiting beliefs about yourself that are not true about yourself, and actually create stories about yourself that aren't true. So we can change the story because we're the star of our own damn movie. So if you're the star of a movie, you can decide on what you want in this world, and you're the superstar in that movie. So basically, with affirmations, you're able to change all those limiting beliefs and those stories about yourself. And the super easy affirmation I want you to remember is, I have no reason to chase because I am so unique and special. I love this affirmation so much because it also keeps you in alignment with all your desires. It also helps you upkeep your superstar energy, especially when things are tough, because I notice sometimes, even with myself, not lately, but when I was younger, that I would be really confident 1 second, and then when I get into an awkward situation, I would start to waver, and then I would maybe cave into the person or anything like that. But when you repeat this on the regular basis as affirmation, then it will become concrete because you are unique, you are special, you are unforgettable, and you're so damn special that your SP is gonna love everything about you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. Comment down below if you have any questions for me about manifestation, law of attraction, or what your SP is saying to you. I want to hear all about that there. Reminder, I do have those 2 free gifts for y'all, and follow me on my other social medias. I sincerely appreciate it, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye!